Alright, Builder Hemp Fields, also Glide Romtal motorbike, sports motorbike mechanic. So we have a little craft table. Build this craft table like this one on this side. Should be fine. And another. We'll put another shelf here, painted, and motorbike shop, sport motorbike shop garage. Have the iron rods and iron tubing to weld a motorbike sports garage. Was 10 sheeted siding, real nice. So we'll have a motorbike sports garage as soon as we got a welder. Probably after we win this $600 next month. I'm going.